Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to use the Chrome's memory saver option on Chrome and you're looking out how to enable and configure that, you may follow up these steps for that. So you can access of Chrome for that, and once you open up Chrome, you can look out for the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select it. After you select it, you can select the settings option from the given menu and open it up. And once you access your settings option, you can go over from your left hand side and select the option of performance here. Once you select performance here, you'll be finding different options, including the option called memory saver. So you just need to toggle it on to enable it. This is how you do it. And if you want to adjust how quickly you want the tabs to be inactive, you can select the option for balanced. It will get you balanced memory savings with an optimal deactivation time. If you select this option of maximum, you will be getting maximum memory savings with tabs becoming inactive after a shorter period. And you can even select the option of moderate. It will get moderate memory savings with tabs becoming inactive after a longer period. You can just go over and do so and enable this option right here. And when this option is turned on, Chrome will automatically free up the memory from the tabs that have not been used for a while, and inactive tabs will be visually indicated with a ring around their icon if you enable this option right here. And that's it. You can turn on this off feature on and off by following up this method. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.